This lesson name is coordinate geometry. So last class I have explained about distance formula, sections formula, midpoint formula. That all you have studied. Now another portion we can take. That is the area of a triangle. You know how to find the area of a triangle? If you are giving one side and its height, if you are giving, how to find the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle equal to half BH. B is the base and H is the height. So like this you know how to find the area of a triangle. But here they are all given the coordinates of the vertex. What they have given? They have given the coordinates of the vertex. See this triangle ABC. First coordinate or first vertex they have given x1, y1. B is the second vertex. Name is written as x2, y2. See the third vertex, that name they have given x3, y3. So if they are given the vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. How to find the area of a triangle? For that one formula is there. What you should do? First of all see which coordinates they have given and substitute all the values in this formula. You will get the area of a triangle. So what is the formula? Area of a triangle equal to half whole multiplied by half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. It's not easy to study this formula, but you should study. It's important. See here. See which is the first x coordinate. First x coordinate means the suffix will be 1. Which one will be the first x coordinate means? How you will write? x1. x1 is the first x coordinate. See here. If you are writing x1, what is the suffix? 1. What is the number next to that? That is 2. And then which is the next number? 3. Isn't it? We are writing in the order 1, 2, 3. So if you are taking x1, suffix is 1. So which one will be the next number? 2 and next number 3. So how to write this formula? How to write this? If you are getting x1, this one become y2 minus y3. See here, if you are getting x1, which one will be coming on this bracket? y2 minus y3. This one is easy only. You can easily study this formula. So if you are getting x1, what will be here? y2 minus y3. Which is the second x coordinate? Second x coordinate is x2. If x2 if you are giving, suffix is 2. So which is the next number? 3. Which is the next number? After 3 you will again come to the first position. That is 1. What is that? If you are getting the second x coordinate, suffix is 2. So which is the next number? 3. Then after that 1. So how you can write this formula? y3 minus y1. Okay. Next. Now you need the third term. How to write this? Write the third x coordinate. Third x coordinate means x3. Suffix is 3. So which is the next number you will get? 1. And next to that 2. Only 1, 2, 3 these position only we are taking. So after 3 again it will come to the first position. And after this one you will get 2. Isn't it? So we can say the formula y1 minus y2. Now you see, now you can easily study this formula. See here, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. By using this formula, we can do the sums. Same formula you should apply, and the vertices of the triangle they given. Draw one figure of that triangle ABC, and the vertex they given. First vertex 2, 3. Second vertex -1, 0. And third vertex is 2, -4. So they have given 3 vertex. You should find the area of a triangle. So first vertex 2, 3, that is x1 by 1, and B is x2 by 2, and C x3 by 3. Now you have all the points. What you should do? Substitute all the values in this formula. Now what you will get? When you are substituting all these values, half into x1. What is x1? That is 2. 2 into y2 which is that 0 minus y3. See, y3 is -4 plus x2 is -1 y3 -4 minus y1 is 3 plus x3, can see that is 2, y3 that is minus, not y3, x3, next to that y1 is 3 minus y2 is 0. So after substituting all these values, simplify this. What will you get? Half into 2 into 0 minus of -4. What is minus of minus? That is plus. So you will get 0 plus 4. Plus into minus is -1. Next, what is -4 minus 3? That is -7. Now we will erase this one. What you will get? -4 minus 3 is -7. Now we will continue here. Plus 2 into 3 minus 0. What is that? 3. Close this bracket. Now what you will get? Again simplify it. Half into, what is 0 plus 4? 0 plus 4 is 4 itself. So you will get 2 into 4, that is 8. Next you see, -1 into -7. Minus into minus is plus. 1 sevens are 7 plus 2 threes are 6. Now first of all, you should divide or add these numbers. You should add these numbers. What you will get? Half into 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Now you see, you can cancel the numbers or not. You can't cancel. This one is an odd number, this one is an even number. You can't divide. So what is the final answer? 21 by 2 square centimeter. Sorry, square units. So the final answer is 21 by 2. See the next sum. Same Same question. What do you want to find? Area of a triangle. But the vertices they have given -5, -1, 3, -5, 5, 2. Only they will give these vertices. You should draw yourself one figure and point the vertex. Okay. Now you see what they have given. They have given 3 vertex. You want to find the area of a triangle. So already the formula is here. Same formula. A means that is x1, y1. Second vertex you should write it as x2, y2. And third vertex is x3, y3. Now what you should do? Substitute all the values in this formula. So what you will get? Area of a triangle you will get half into C, which is x1 minus 5. Minus 5 into y2 minus y3. y2 is minus 5 minus y3. That is 2. Now consider the second term. I will continue here. See here x2, which is x2, that is 3. y3 is 2 minus y1, that is minus 1. Third term, which is then x3 is 5. y1 is minus 1 minus y2. See which is y2? Minus 5. Now you should simplify this equation. When you are writing in your book, in one line only you should write this formula. Don't write like this. I don't have more space, that's why. Okay. See here. Simplify this. Half into minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2. What is that? Minus 7 plus 3 into 2 minus of minus 1. Minus of minus is plus. So what you will get? 2 minus of minus is plus. So 2 plus 1. That is 3. Plus 5 into minus 1 minus of minus 5. Minus of minus plus. So what you will get? Minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Right here. Again simplify this. Half into minus 5 into minus 7. Minus into minus is positive. So what you will get? 5 sevens are 35. Next you see plus 3 threes are 9. Next 5 fours are 20. Now add all these numbers. All numbers, what you will get? 35 plus 9, that is 44. 44 plus 20, that is 64. So 64 divided by 2. See here 64 and 2 you can cancel it. 2 ones are 2 32s are. So what you will get? 32 square units is the final answer. What is the answer? 32 is the answer. Can you see the question? question. Find the value of k. Here you can see one of its coordinate they didn't give. So what do you want to find? You want to find this value of k. But the conditions they given for which the points are collinear. For which the points are collinear. That means what? 3 points they given. Isn't it? 3 points they have given. That 3 points are collinear. Collinear means what? When you are giving 3 points, for example, A, B and C. When you are giving 3 points, if you are given 3 points, then you can say the 3 points are collinear. If the 3 points are on the same line, that's the when you can say 3 points are collinear, that 3 points are on the same line, then we can say the 3 points are collinear. So they have given 3 points, the 3 points are collinear. That means these 3 points are on the same line. If these 3 points are on the same line, can these points can form a triangle? No. These are all coming on the same line. So how it will form a triangle? Triangle means one vertex at least that will be outside this line. Isn't it? At least C or B. Any point should be outside this line. That is not possible because the condition is 3 points are on the same line. That means these 3 points will not form a triangle. The 3 points will not form a triangle. That will not form a triangle means what will be the area of the triangle? That will be 0. Okay, the 3 points are collinear. That means 3 points are on the same line. That 3 points will not form a triangle. So its area of the triangle will be 0. So the first point you should take it as A, 7 minus 2. And second point B, that you should take it as 5, 1. B you should take it as 5, 1. C will be the third point, that is 3 minus K. So 3 points are not forming a triangle, so its area is 0. So area of a triangle is triangle ABCD. If 3 points if you are considering ABC, so the triangle name is triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is 0. Take it as equation number 1. Now we want to find the value of K. So for that what we will do, you know the formula of area. That formula you should apply and substitute in this left hand side. So what you will get? If you apply this formula, area of a triangle equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now you substitute all the values. What you will get? Half into x1, that is 7, into y2 1 minus y3 minus k plus x2, that is 5, y3 minus k minus y1, that is minus 2, plus last term x3 is 3, y1 minus 2 minus by 2, that is minus 1. Now simplify this. So what do you get? Half into 7 into minus of minus plus. So what you can write? 1 plus k plus 5 into minus k minus of minus 2. It is minus of minus plus. So minus k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Again we want to simplify this. To simplify this, what you will get? 7 into 1 plus k. That means you should open this bracket. What you will get? 7 ones are 7 plus 7 k's are 7k. 7 into k is 7k. Plus, next when you are opening this one, what you will get? 5 into minus k. That is minus 5k. 5 into 2, that is 10 plus 10. See the last thing, plus 3 into minus 3. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Again simplify this. Half into 7 plus 10, that is 17. 17 minus 9. Subtract this. What will you get? 8. Next, what is 7k minus 5k? 7k minus 5k is 2k. Right here plus 2k. Now again we can't simplify. These two are unlike things, you can't write anything now. So you are getting the area half into 8 plus 2k. So what is the equation number 1? What you are writing? Area of a triangle is 0. That is the equation number 1. So the equation number 1 is area of a triangle equal to 0. We are getting the area half into 8 plus 2k. So instead of writing area of triangle, what we can write there? Half into 8 plus 2k equal to 0. What you should do? You want to find the value of k. So you should equate this one and find the value of k. Here 2 is divided. So when you are shifting this 2 to the right side, what you will get? If it is divided, when you are shifting to the right side, you should multiply. What is 0 multiplied by 2? That is 0. So what you can write? 8 plus 2k equal to 0. So 2 when you are shifting to the right side, you will get the right hand side 0. Now simplify this equation. 2k equal to 8. Move to the right side. What you will get? 0 minus 8. Plus 8 becomes minus 8. 0 minus 8 is minus 8 itself. Now, how to find k? Shift 2 to the right side. What will get? Minus 8 divided by 2. Cancel it. 1 here, 4. What is the final answer? Minus 4. So, the value of k is minus 4. That is the final answer. Now, the next question. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Have you understand anything? See here, what's the question? you should find the area of the triangle. Which triangle's area you need? The triangle, how they are forming? By joining the midpoints of the sides. Okay, so what do you want to find? You want to find the area of the triangle. How that triangle is forming? The triangle is forming by joining the midpoints of sides. So where is the midpoints? So midpoints or sides of the triangle. So there is one triangle and its vertices they given 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Name the triangle ABC. Okay, so they have given one triangle. Its vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. And how they are forming the triangle? By joining the midpoints of the sides. So first of all, you should mark the midpoints of this triangle. So for each side, mark the midpoint. So for the first side AB, which is the midpoint, give one name for that midpoint. So I am writing that as P. What is P? P is the midpoint of AB. And what is the midpoint of BC? Give one name for that. Q. Q is the midpoint of BC. Next, R. R is the midpoint of AC. So, what they given? You should find the area of triangle by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Have you understood the question? What's the question? There will be one triangle and they have midpoints. When you are joining the midpoints, join the midpoints, what you will get? You will get the shape of a triangle. See here? This one is in the form of a triangle. Isn't it? Now we are getting one small triangle. Its name now we can say that is triangle PQR. Isn't it? See, by joining the midpoints, you will get one triangle, that is triangle PQR. What do you want to find? You want to find the area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle by joining the midpoints means you should find area of triangle PQR. And what is the continuation of that question they given? Next, after finding this area of triangle PQR, they have given you should find the ratio of this. Ratio of this means area of triangle PQR. To which one? Area of the given triangle, which is given triangle, that is ABC. So ABC is the given triangle. Okay, so what is that? What is the next continuation of the question they given? You should find the ratio of area of this. Ratio of area of this to which one? Area of the given triangle. Given triangle is triangle ABC. So you want to find the ratio of this. But before finding the ratio, you should, first of all, you should find the area of triangle PQR and area of triangle ABC. Isn't it? See here, before finding the ratio, you should know the area of triangle PQR and area of triangle ABC. Already you know the vertices of ABC. So you can easily find the area of triangle ABC. This one is easy to find. By using the formula, you can directly apply that and find the area of triangle ABC. But how you will find area of triangle PQR? See, the vertices they didn't give for this triangle PQR. For triangle PQR, the midpoints or that vertex they didn't give. How to find that? You know the midpoint formula. How to find the midpoint formula and all you have studied. See here, in this one, they have given P is the midpoint of P. So you know the midpoint formula. By using midpoint formula, you should find each midpoint. After finding the midpoints, you can say the vertices of triangle PQR. Okay, again listen. Now you want to find PQR, isn't it? You want to find the vertex P, vertex Q, vertex R. First, we will find P. How to find P? Already we know P is the midpoint of AB. What is midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 by 2, comma, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. A is 0 minus 1. So that is X1 by 1. B 2, 1. So that is X2 by 2. Now what you should do? You have all the points, substitute all the values in this formula. What you will get? X1 plus X2, that is 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 by 2, comma, Y1 plus Y2, that is minus 1 plus 1 by, so what you will get? 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 by 2, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, 0 by 2. Here 2 and 2 when you cancel, you will get 1. What is 0 by 2? 0 divided by any number is 0 itself. So what is the answer? The coordinate of P. What you will get? The coordinate of P is 1, 0. So similarly, you should find the coordinate Q by midpoint formula. You should find the coordinate R by midpoint formula. Then you should find triangle, area of triangle PQR and area of triangle ABC. After that, find its ratio. Okay. X2 by 2. And given Q is the midpoint of BC. So how to find its midpoint? By midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Now you substitute all the values and find the answer. See here, 2 plus 0, 1 plus 3 by 2. Simplifying, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 by 2. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 2. Cancel it. Here 1, here 2. What is the answer? 1 and 2 is the answer. So what you will get the value of Q? Value of Q is 1, 2. Write that point there. 1, 2. Fine. Which is that? R. R is the midpoint of AC. A is 0 minus 1. So that one you should take it as 1 by 1. And C 0, 3. And that one you should take it as X2 by 2. Now you see R is the midpoint of AC. So by midpoint formula you should find the answer. X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Substitute all the values. So what you will get? X1 plus X2, that is 0 plus 0, that is 0 by 2. See here, Y1 plus Y2, that is minus 1 plus 3. What is minus 1 plus 3? That is 2. Directly we can write the answer 2 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0, 2 by 2. Cancelling. So what you will get? The answer is 0, 1. Now, after finding the 3 points, but you should find area of the triangle PQR. You know that how to find the area of a triangle by that same formula. So, P they given 1, 0 and Q we find that one is 1, 2 and R 0, 1. So x1 first point is x1 by 1, second point is x2 by 2 and third point is x3 by 3. Now we should find the area of triangle PQR. What is the formula? Half into x1 into by 2 minus by 3 plus x2 into by 3 minus by 1 plus x3 into by 1 minus by 2. Substitute all the values in this formula. What you will get? Half into x1 that is 1 by 2 minus by 3 that is 2 minus 1 plus what is x2 that is 1 into by 3 minus by 1 by 3 is 1 by 1 0 plus x3 is 0 0 into by 1 minus by 2. You should know any number when I multiply by 0 that is 0 itself. So this one becomes 0. So what is remaining now? Half into 1 into 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 ones are again 1. And this one is 0. So what is remaining? 1 plus 1 is 2. So half into 2. Cancel these numbers. So what is the answer? Area of triangle PQR is 1 square units. Okay. Now, continuation of the question I will say now. After finding the area of triangle PQR, they are given, you should find the ratio of this area to area of the given triangle. You should find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Which is the given triangle? ABC. Okay. So what do you want to find? Ratio of which one? Area of triangle PQR to which one? Area of triangle ABC. What is the continuation of the question they are given? You should find the ratio of this area. This area means area of triangle PQR to which one? To the area of given triangle. That is, area of given triangle is area of triangle ABC. So, what is ratio means? You should take the fraction of those two areas. Okay. So, first of all, we have already found what is the area of triangle PQR? That is 1. Now, you should know what is the area of triangle ABC. After finding the area of triangle ABC, you should find its ratio. Okay. Now, what you should find out? You should find the, already we found this one. Now, you should find area of triangle ABC. So, area of triangle PQR, we are getting 1. We should find the area of the given triangle. What is the given triangle? That is ABC. How to find the area of triangle ABC? By the same formula. A is 0 minus 1. So that is point x1 by 1. B 2, 1. So that point is x2 by 2. C 0, 3. That is x3 y3. Now area of triangle ABC, how to find? Same formula should write. Now after writing the formula, substitute all the values in this formula. What you will get? Half into 0 into 1 minus 3 plus same way how you are doing for triangle PQR, same way only substitute all the values. 2 into 3 minus of minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 minus 1. Now we see how to simplify this. 0 into 1 minus 3. 0 when you multiply with any number. What is the answer? 0 itself. So 0 when you multiply into this one. What is the answer? 0. You don't want to open this bracket and door. 0 when you multiply with any number, you will get 0. Here you see the last time. Here also 0 you are multiplying with the minus 1 minus 1. Isn't it? 0 you are multiplying with the one number. That means the answer is 0. So the first time is 0. Third time is 0. Now we see the second time. 2 into 3 minus of minus 1. What is minus of minus? That is plus. So 2 into 3 plus 1. What is 3 plus 1? 4. So what you will get the final answer? Half into 2 into 4. 2 fours are 8. So half into 2 fours are 8. Now you can cancel it. Here what you will get? 4 is the answer. So 4 square units. Actually what you should find out? You should find the ratio of these two areas. So what is the ratio of these two areas? Here we are getting area of triangle ABC 4. So what is the ratio of these two? 1 by 4. Or you can write 1 is to 4. So what is the ratio of these two areas? That is 1 by 4 or 1 is to 4. So first of all, these type of questions, first you should understand what they are saying. Okay, this large question but it is easy to understand. But read more times. Here what they given? You should find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the given triangle. Whose vertices are? They will give. Vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Okay. And then you should find the ratio of this area. Sorry, ratio of this area to the ratio of the given triangle. So you will get the ratio 1 by 4. You see the next question. Find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are minus 4 minus 2, minus 3 minus 5, 3 minus 2 and 2, 3. So first of all, what is a quadrilateral? That is a closed figure and it has 4 vertices. So first of all, draw one rough figure for that. First you draw one rough figure of a quadrilateral and name it A, B, C, D. And they have given the vertices of this quadrilateral and you should write that vertices in order. What is that order? First vertex. First vertex is minus 4, minus 2. Second vertex minus 3, minus 5. Third vertex 3, minus 2. And fourth one 2, 3. So first of all, draw one rough figure and name that one and then write all the points there. You want to find the area of this quadrilateral. How to find its area? See here, when you are joining any two opposite vertices, what you will get? One diagonal. So you can see AC is a diagonal of this quadrilateral. So when you are drawing one quadrilateral, when you are drawing one diagonal, what you will get? This quadrilateral is dividing into two triangles, isn't it? See here, this diagonal dividing this one into two triangles. Which are they? One is triangle ADC. Triangle ADC. Another is triangle ABC. So this quadrilateral is split into two. Now we will know how to find the area of triangles. Okay. So here you are getting two triangles. So how to find its area of quadrilateral? By adding these two areas. By adding these two triangles area, what you will get? The area of this quadrilateral, isn't it? Because this quadrilateral is split into two triangles. Each triangles you can find by the formula, and after finding the area of each triangle, add it. So you will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So to do that, A, B, C. See the first point A, that is -4, -2, and D 2, 3, and C 3, -2. This is a triangle ABC. Three vertices they given A -4, -2, that is x1, y1, b x2, y2, and d x2, y2, c x3, y3. What is the area of triangle formula? Area of a triangle. Area of triangle ADC. That is, apply the formula half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Next, what is to do? Substitute all the values. So what you will get? Half into x1, see here, minus 4 into y2 minus y3, that is 3 minus 2 plus x2 what is that? 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 is -2 minus y1, that is -2, plus, see the last term, x3 is 3 into y1 -2 minus y2, that is 3. Now you should simplify this one. Now we simplify this one. What you will get? Half into -4 into 3 minus of -2, that is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 3 into, see here, -2 minus of minus is plus. So what you will get? -2 minus of minus is plus 2. What is -2 plus 2? That is 0. So what you will get? 3 into 0 plus 3 into -2 minus 3. It is -5. So again simplify. -4 5s are -20. 3 zeros are 0. plus 3 minus 5 is minus 15. Next, what you should do? See here, minus 20, minus 15. Both are two negative numbers. So what you should do? Add the numbers. So what you will get? Minus 35. So what is the answer? Minus 35 by 2 square units. So one triangle we have found, that is minus 35 by 2 square units. Now one more triangle is there. Its area also you should find out. Here we are getting the area negative, but every time the area will be positive number. So take it positive only. Okay. Now next we should find the area of triangle A, B, C. A is A, B, C are minus 4, minus 2, B, minus 3, minus 5, C, 3, minus 2. So, how to find area of triangle ABC? By using the same formula. Now, I am doing that fastly. You can use that. You should write formula and then apply that. Okay, now I am directly doing that. Half into x1. x1 is minus 4 into y2 minus y3. It is minus 5 minus 2 plus x2, that is minus 3 into y3, that is minus 2 minus y1 plus 3 into y1 minus y2 minus 2 minus 1. Now we simplify this. See here, now simplify this one. What will you get? Minus 4 into minus 5 minus of minus 2. What is minus of minus? That is plus. So minus 5 plus 2. What is that? Minus 3. Plus minus 3 into minus 2 minus of minus 2. Minus 2. Minus of minus is plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Plus last one 3 into minus 2 minus of minus 5. Minus 2 minus of minus means plus 5. What is that? 3. Now we simplify this. Half into minus 4 into minus 3 is 12. Minus 3 into 0 is 0. Plus 3 3s are 9. So half into 12 plus 9. What you will get? 21. So what is that? Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC you will get 21 by 2. ABC is 21 by 2. Now we see we found the two triangles area. So how to find the area of quadrilateral? By adding these two areas. So what you will get? Area of quadrilateral ABCD, that is equal to 21 by 2 plus 35 by 2. In both, what you can see? They have same denominator. So take it common. 21 plus 35 is 56. We can cancel numbers. 2 ones are here 28. 28 square units. Final answer you will get 28. Same sum you should try yourself And the remaining sums also I will give that and send through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.